Good morning students, welcome back. In today's video we will learn about the formation of adverbs. How are they formed? What all rules are required while forming the adverbs. Okay? So, we have got different rules for forming the adverbs. We will study each and every rule one by one. Over here, rule number 1 says add suffix ly to the adjective. When we add ly to an adjective, it becomes an adverb. Let's see with an example. Example, slow. Slow is an adjective. And when we add the suffix ly, it becomes slowly. Now an adverb is formed. Again, quick. Add ly to it, it becomes quickly. Quiet. Add ly to it, it becomes quietly. So whenever you are writing an adjective, whenever you mention an adjective and you add ly to it, add the suffix ly, it becomes an adverb. Adjective ending with e. Those adjectives which ends with the letter e, what do we have to do with them and how are we going to form the adverb? We have to drop e and add y. We have to drop the letter e and we have to add y. Example, simple. Simple is ending with the letter e. Okay? And what we have to do? We have to drop e. We have to drop e and add y. So simple, by adding y, it becomes simply. Again, terrible becomes terribly. Able becomes ably. Gentle becomes gently. Okay? So these are the example for rule number 2. What we have to do in rule number 2, the words, the adjective which ends with e, we have to drop e and add y. Okay? Now there are few exceptions in rule number 2. Not every word, not every adjective that ends with e, we are not going to do the same thing with them. Meaning, suppose the word entire also is an adjective which ends with the letter e. Okay? But when we are forming an adjective, when we are forming an adverb, we can't write entirely. Example of the exceptions. I told you that each and every adjective which ends with the letter e, we can't add y to it. So the examples of few exceptions are entire. It is ending with the letter e, but we can't add y. Remove e and add y. It becomes a different word, which is a wrong word. Okay. What we add ly. Entire becomes entirely. Sure becomes surely. Absolute becomes absolutely. Okay. So these are the exceptions to rule number 2. Okay, not each and every adjective which ends with e, we can remove e and add y. That is the exception. Okay. Now rule number 3. Rule number 3 says adjective ending with the letter y. Okay. What we have to do to form the adverb? Drop y and add ily. Okay. Example, heavy. Heavy is ending with the letter y. What we have to drop? We have to drop y and add ily. So heavy becomes heavily after adding the letter ily. Again, happy ending with y. Drop y and add ily. It becomes happily. Okay, that was rule number 3. Rule number 4 says adjective ending with the letter l. What we have to do? Now over here we are not dropping any letters. We just have to add ly. Okay? Example, usual. Add ly to it. We are not going to drop any letter over here. Instead, we are going to add ly to them. Okay? Usual. Adding ly becomes usually. Careful becomes carefully. Hopeful becomes hopefully. General becomes generally. So these are examples for rule number 4. Okay? It's rule number 4, it's not rule number 3, okay? Rule number 5 says adjective ending with IC, okay, what we have to do? We have to add ALLY, okay. Again, example, tragic ending with IC, we have to add ALLY. Tragic becomes tragically. Basic ending with IC, adding ALLY becomes basically. Okay. Again, dramatic becomes dramatically. Okay. Energetic becomes energetically. So these are the example of rule number 5, where adjective ending with IC we have to add ALLY. Okay. Last rule, that is rule number 6. Adverbs ending with suffix word, words or wise. Okay. Let's see. Word and words. Whenever you see these terms, these suffix with a word, it suggests direction. Okay. What does it suggest? It suggests direction. Okay. Example, eastward, outwards, backward, northward, southward. These all are suggesting direction. Okay. And the suffix wise. Wise is added to nouns that suggest manner, direction or reference. Okay. Example, lengthwise, clockwise, likewise. Okay. So these are adverbs which end with the suffix word, words and wise. Okay. So that's all for today. Hope you understood this topic. Please revise and keep on doing the exercise. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding this topic, please ask me on my WhatsApp.